Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of orders not found on the application of Amazon Shopping with good settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Amazon Shopping and you can, we click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.